Greetings viewers, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be taking you on the assembly of endoscope machine. This is endoscope series 4400. So this series is almost at the same as under endoscope machine. So I'm going to be taking you guys on the assembly of this very machine. So today this very machine has three main parts we are going to be focusing on. So we talk about the control system of this very machine. We talk about the insertion system of this very machine. Then we talk about the connector part of this very machine. So I am going to show you guys how to do this. So here, this is the tool. This is the probe. Where the control is. We have the controls here. This control how the direction of the probe moves, and there's a valve here for air, there's a valve here for water and other things. So you can see the knob, you can see how it rolls, and the rest of them, and this knob. Then here is the insertion part. This very insertion part has a camera here, and it has light source. The light source is powered by what? Fiber optics. So the light moves through this very goes down to human body. So the basic need of this very machine is for what? For us to be able to see the inside of human body. So it's passed through the mouth or through the rectum, or what we call pinhole surgery. You open small part of the body and insert it there to see what you want to see. So right now I'm going to show you how to connect this very probe to this machine. Okay, but before I go into that, I'm going to show you other parts of the machine. So this part of the machine is called the light source. This is the light source of the machine. So the fiber optics rays come through this very part. This opening here. I'm going to show you how to connect it. Then this is the processor. Understand? So the connection, these two machines are connected together. I'm going to show you the back. I'm going to show you the back of this very machine for you to see the connection. So then you have the monitor here. So these are the three parts in its own. The processor. This is the processor. This is the light source. And this is the screen where we display all those things. So watch me and see how I will do the connection. Now this is it. I'm going to insert it here to the light source. And connection to the processor. Close it. Now this very machine here, you have seen the insertion parts and the control parts. So here in particular is called what? Here in particular is this is the connector parts. So I am going to connect the irrigation, that is water, through these parts. I don't know if you have seen it very well, but let me bring it closer. This is the irrigation part. You can see the connection. I don't know. I didn't see it very well. Okay, let me continue. So, irrigation is just the water. Then, the suction machine is down here. This is a tool for suction machine. You insert it here. That's all you need to do for now. Then, okay, now I'm done with the physical connection with the screen, the light source, and the processor. I'm going to take you to the back of this machine. Okay. Okay, this is the back of this very machine. You can see the connection. This is the serial connection from the light source to the processor. And you have the DVI cords. This is the DVI cord here. This is the DVI cord. You can see it. This is the DVI cord. Then this is for the keyboard. There's a keyboard here which you record. Then this is the earthing. You see the earthing. Okay. Then let me now connect the power cords to the various. There's a power cord. Now I'm going to fix this second power cord for the processor. That's all you need to do. Okay. Okay, have a very clear view of what it looks like from the back. Okay. Okay, since we are done with the connection behind, I am going to power this very equipment for you to see how it works. So, the power is on right now. Let's have a closer view of its like. So the power is on. This is the screen. You can see the various buttons, the controls, they are all here. This is a very special video. I can assure you that if you're able to understand one or two things here, you are good to go, especially for those that are under hospital equipment repair or medical equipment repair / installation. So now you can see the monitor has displayed, and what I'm going to do now, let me find a way to position it well so that you observe very well how the okay, here's the monitor. I will show you. This is a probe. Watch me put the lights on. Okay, this is the lights. The probe. I can show you the inner part of my ear through this probe. Can you observe? Are you seeing the inner part of my ear? Using this probe. So virtually with this very probe here, it goes inside the body, through the mouth, down to wherever you want to get it to, or any pinhole created for operation. This very installation is very simple, but one needs to be experienced for you not to condemn the entire equipment. I believe you must have learned one or two things. Please do subscribe to my channel. More of this will come your way. Thank you for watching.